Hello everyone, so we are going to create a really beautiful eye look today. So first apply concealer on your eyelids, blend it, and then to lock it put loose powder on it. You can also lock it with a really light shade of eyeshadow, and then we are going to take light brown shade for transition area. Do it with such light hands, and then we are going to take some dark brown eyeshadow to give it a really nice look. Blend for a real nice eye makeup. The eye makeup should be properly blended, so take your time and blend. Now we are doing it really really politely and with so light hands to avoid hurting our eyes. Blend till you find the real nice finish on your eyes. Now it's done. Now we are going to put eyeliner on our lash line. We want it really blended and subtle, so let's just keep doing. We blend it. Now take 1 to 2 shade darker concealer and conceal all your dark spots. Blend it with such light hands to avoid removing it from the area. Blend. Then take foundation of your shade and put it on your face. Now blend. Blending is the key. You must blend everything really nice. Put it on your neck area also. Now lock it with loose powder. Now put kajal on your lower waterline. Then do the under eye area with the same shade you used on your eyelid. Putting blush on our cheeks, nose and chin area. After it, we will apply highlighter on our cheeks, nose, upper lips and chin area. I'm going for that bindis for Dandiya look. And after that, we will apply mascara and lipstick and we are done. Sorry for not updating on it about lipstick and mascara, but that's how it is. Do tell me how do you like the look. And now we are done. Bye bye.